really important event for me, and because I want to be engineering, maybe in automobilism. I hope so. I really like math, so numbers and statistics is my area. We did a lot of interviews, like with some girls who are in the automobilism world. Was so amazing. Like see their career, their way to here, like so amazing, and it's like inspiration for us. And I hope I get some opportunities in this career because it's a part of me, like it's like my family, so I want to be here too.